Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from international market. In November 2024, US existing home sales saw the largest annual increase in 3 years, driven by growth in 3 major regions and steady performance in the West. The National Association of Realtors reported a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.15 million home sales, up 4.8% from October and 6.1% compared to November 2023. Median home prices rose to $406,100, a 4.7% increase from the previous year. Total housing inventory stood at 1.33 million units, marking a 2.9% monthly decline but a 17.7% increase year-over-year, with an unsold inventory supply of 3.8 months. Regional sales gains were significant, with the Northeast and Midwest leading the charge. The Northeast recorded an 8.5% monthly increase, with sales up 6.3% year-over-year and a median price rise of 9.9% to $475,500. In the Midwest, sales grew by 5.3% month-over-month and annually, with the median price up 7.3% to $302,000. The South saw a 5.6% monthly gain, reflecting a 3.3% annual rise, and median prices increased by 2.8% to $361,300. In the West, sales held steady but surged 14.9% year-over-year, with median prices rising 4% to $628,200. First-time buyers accounted for 30% of home purchases in November, slightly lower than the 31% share a year earlier but up from 27% in October. Investor participation declined, with investors and second-home buyers making up 13% of sales, down from 17% in October and 18% in November 2023. Cash transactions comprised 25% of sales, slightly lower than in previous months, while distressed sales, including foreclosures, remained steady at 2%. Homes typically stayed on the market for 32 days, longer than the 29 days in October and the 25 days reported in November 2023. Single-family home sales rose by 5% month-over-month to 3.76 million, a 7.4% annual increase, with a median price of $410,900, reflecting a 4.8% gain. Condo and co-op sales increased 2.6% month-over-month to 390,000 units but were 4.9% lower than last year. The median price of condos rose to $359,800, up 2.8% from November 2023. NAR Chief Economist Lawrence Yu highlighted that rising housing equity, expanding inventory, and steady job growth are fueling momentum as consumers adjust to mortgage rates in the 6% to 7% range. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.